I put cheese straight on the pan, and somehow this became my favorite lazy family dinner.
Quick and tasty on the farm where recipes live on for generations.
Hey friends, welcome back to Quick and Tasty on the Farm, where we make real food for real families that is quick, easy, delicious, and tastes so good. And honestly, today might be one of my favorite lazy family dinners ever. My most favorite. Let's get cooking. This is why these don't last more than 24 hours in our house. Look at that. This is cooked ground beef and onion. Pretty simple. I actually prepped it a few days ago and I've had it in my freezer. I just reheated it in my microwave. I just need something quick tonight because everyone's hungry, and I'm gonna turn this ground beef into something extra special. If you have some tortillas, some cheese, you have your ground beef, then you are winning. These cheesy smash tacos are a hit every time we make them. That's what you need for this recipe. It is so simple, it's so quick, it's tasty, and the order matters. That's what makes this recipe extra special. So quick, so easy, delicious. I turned on my skillet to about 375 degrees, and here's the secret. We're gonna start with cheese, cheese, cheese. We're gonna sprinkle cheese right onto the skillet. This is how you get the crispy edge on your tacos that everyone goes crazy about. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take some tortillas and we're gonna place it right on top of the cheese. Next, we're gonna add the beef and onion right on top of the tortilla. And then we're gonna add more cheese. Yes, more cheese, more cheese, more cheese. Just trust me on this process. These tacos are delicious. My husband loves them. Time for the flip. Watch this. Look at that. Let's try the other one. Look at that. These tacos are so delicious and they come together so fast with that cheesy crust, golden goodness on the outside. They make them extra special. Crispy on the outside, so delicious on the inside. So good. This is why these don't last more than 24 hours in our house. Look at that. so good. Add a little sour cream, a little salsa if you want. And these tacos are dangerous. They are so delicious. When you prep your ground beef in advance, put it in the freezer, pull it out in small little bags. You could throw these together in a matter of like 10 minutes max and have a whole meal for your family that they will absolutely love. And yes, these reheat great on the skillet or in the microwave. If you like easy dinners like this, make sure you subscribe because yes, we are cooking real dinners with real food that real people enjoy eating. Families will share these recipes for generations because they're so delicious. And if you have ground beef in your fridge, you know what you're making for dinner tonight. These cheesy smash tacos are a hit every time we make them. So quick, so easy, delicious. Go try it tonight.
Quick and tasty on the farm, where recipes live on for generations.